Alright, YouTube, no comfort zones. This is Zevin bringing you video number 6 out of 7 on my 7-day challenge. I am having so many issues posting videos. This is like my 4th or 5th time trying to record this video. I tried twice on my regular camera, and then my camera died, and it's going to take a couple of hours to charge up. And then this is my second try on my cell phone. My cell phone's not working either. I don't know what the heck is going on. So video number 6 out of 7 for the challenge. Falling off the bandwagon a little bit. I haven't been able to actually post them on YouTube like I wanted to, but I have been recording them. So that's kind of what the challenge has evolved into, is just a challenge for myself to actually record something, and then I'll edit them, and I'll get them posted as soon as I can. Every excuse in the book, I guess. I've been working a lot, been worn out by the end of the day, and I just haven't been able to edit as much as I wanted. Had some trouble with my software, and then I even finished, I think, 2 videos, and I was about to actually post them, and then my computer crashed, and I lost them all. I had to start from scratch, so I was like, fuck it. I'll just record everything, and then I'll edit them and get them posted whenever I can. So video number 6, I got one tomorrow, and then I'm done. So today's Thursday. Started this challenge on Saturday. So did Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today's Thursday. And then I got one more tomorrow. What I wanted to go over today is just some of the obviously the challenges of getting it posted. I couldn't do it. I couldn't accomplish what I set out to do and actually record and post them to YouTube. It's freaking hard. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. People that give YouTubers crap all the time, it's not easy. It's not easy. There's a lot of creative work. You gotta figure out what you're gonna record, and granted, I haven't even had that problem really, because I'm just turning on the camera and recording whatever I want that day. But then recording it and re-recording it, and then editing it and actually posting it, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So I think the number one thing I've learned is it's a little bit more work than I thought. It's a lot harder than I thought. I think talking into the camera has gotten a little easier for me this week. I hope it continues. It is still a little bit weird, and awkward, but that has definitely improved. I even think it's kind of improved me talking socially as well, in a weird way. Just being able to see myself on camera and kind of seeing, the perspective of what other people see has kind of helped me, socially so far. So hopefully that improves. That's been a great benefit. I think what I've learned is I have a lot of work to do if I want to make decent videos in the future. This has been a good trial run, but I suck. I suck at it. So definitely gonna have to get better. I'm gonna have to get a better, better lighting, better mic. The sound has been bad. The lighting has been bad. Even the camera angles have been terrible. So I've realized I've sucked this week, but that's what I wanted to find out. I wanted to give this challenge for myself and just see what I learned. So I don't want to make this video super long. We're at 4 minutes so far, but it's been challenging. I've had some setbacks. It's a little bit harder than I thought, and I learned I sucked. But I'm proud that I'm continuing to make progress with it. I feel like it has relieved some anxiety for me. Just trying to talk on camera and stuff has been very what's the word, therapeutic, I guess. So that's been good, and it's been fun. It's been fun. So I got one more video tomorrow, and I have no idea what it's going to be about, but I will be back tomorrow. Video number 6 complete.